Good morning, Jimwell Cuevas, Bismar A3 Bravo. And regarding moral matters, relativism and absolutism are well-known adversaries. Is morally absolute or relative? Give a compelling arguments and understandable explanation of your response to this question. For me, the moral matters is absolute because relativism is only based on what you think is right, and it is based on a specific beliefs and cultures. For example, the killing of babies for sacrifice is unjust, and it is not right to kill innocent lives. While in absolute, killing babies is not right and morally wrong because killing and ending someone's life is unjust, and it is a mortal sin. That's all. Thank you.